Good morning to all. I am Deepthi Mishra, Assistant Professor in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. Today I am going to discuss the primary and secondary standard solution in pharmaceutical analysis. So, let's start with the standards. So, what is a standard? In pharmaceutical analysis, the word standard means a material containing known concentration. So, the accurately known strength is called the standard. We can express this with the definite number with proper units. Let's the functions of standard. So, to provide a preparation of secondary standard solution and to calibrate an instrument. These all are the functions of standard. So, how's prepared the standard solution? It is prepared by dissolving an accurately weighed quantity of highly pure substance in a definite volume of solvent or solutions. There are two types of standard solution, primary standard solution and secondary standard solution. So, let us discussing in detail. So, primary standard solution which has the certain property like it is very pure solvent solutions and it has a stable and it's not a hydrate and it is a high molecular weight. So, primary standard are the typically used in titration to determine the unknown concentration and in other analytical techniques. High level of purity, low reactivity, high equivalent weight, not hygroscopic, non-toxic, inexpensive and readily available. These all are the properties of primary standard solution. It should have the high relatively molecular weight so that weighing error may be negligible. The solution should be readily soluble under the condition which is employed. So, the substance commonly employed as primary standard are in acid-base reactions, sodium carbonate, sodium tetraborate, potassium hydrogen phthalate, potassium hydrogen iodate. In complex formation reaction, pure metals and salts depending on the reactions. In precipitation reactions, silver, silver nitrate, sodium chloride, potassium iodate, potassium oxalate and pure iron. So, let's in detail in secondary standard. Secondary standard is a chemical that has been standardized against a primary standard for the use in specific analysis. So, secondary standard basically commonly used in calibrate analytical methods and secondary standard is a standard that is prepared in laboratory for the specific analysis. It is usually standardized against a primary standard. So, secondary standard means can be only used when it is standardized against the primary standard. It is not pure, not 100% pure as compared to primary standard. So, it follows the secondary standard solution is a solution in which concentration of dissolved solute has not been determined from the weight of the compound dissolved but by the reaction of volume of solution against a measured volume of primary standard solution. So, secondary standard, a chemical or reagent which is certain property like it has less purity than primary standard, less stable and more reactive than primary standard and titrated against primary standard. This is the difference between the primary and secondary standard. So, in primary standard, it must be easily obtained in high grade of purity as compared to the secondary standard and very stable, resist reaction with the air. It means non-hygroscopic. It is recommended to high equivalent weight to minimize the weighing error and must be react with the other substance in quantitative way according to the chemical equations. And in secondary standard, from the primary standard, the exist concentration is determined by the titration against a primary standard solution. So this is all about the primary and secondary standard solution which is used in pharmaceutical analysis. Thank you all. Thank you.